Conjuring clarity with correlative conjunctions. Hello, language explorers. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of correlative conjunctions. This might sound a bit tricky, but fear not. We're going to break it down, and by the end of this video, you'll be wielding these handy tools of English grammar with confidence. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together to coordinate words or groups of words in a sentence. They always come in twos, hence the name, correlative. These pairs include combinations such as not only but also, either or, neither nor, both and whether or, among others. These pairs help us to give our sentences more depth and detail, making our speech and writing more engaging and precise. Let's explore these correlative conjunctions with examples. Not only but also, he is not only a great dancer, but also an excellent singer. Either or, you can have either the apple or the orange. Neither nor, he is neither interested in sports nor in arts. Both and, she both reads books and writes poems in her free time. Whether or, I'll go to the party whether you come or not. Each pair emphasizes a different kind of relationship between the ideas in your sentence. Now that we've understood and seen some examples, let's apply this knowledge. Try to frame sentences using each of these correlative conjunctions. Remember, practice is key when learning a new concept in language. The more you use these pairs in your sentences, the more comfortable you'll become. And there you have it. You've just added a powerful tool to your language arsenal, correlative conjunctions. Remember, these pairs are perfect for adding depth, precision, and a touch of style to your sentences. So go ahead, play around with them and see how they can elevate your English skills. Thank you for joining me on this language journey. Remember, every step brings you closer to mastery. Happy learning!